Focus day after a massive showdown between cops and students over the Nabonna protest in Kolkata. BJP has called for a 12-hour statewide bandh from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. today. The BJP has said that the protest is against the dictatorship of Mamata Banerjee and an attempt to quash her pride.
सामान्य नागरिकों की भावनाओं को ध्यान में रखकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने कल सुबह 6 बजे से 12 घंटे तक के लिए बंगाल बंद का आह्वान किया है। मुझे विश्वास है कि बंगाल की जनता हमारे साथ खड़ी रहेगी और ममता बनर्जी का जो घमंड है उसको चूर चूर करने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ेगी और ऐसे दमदारी सरकार को उखाड़ फेंकने का वातावरण बनाएगी।
Shreya Mandal, my colleague, joins me live as far as this is concerned. Shreya, good morning. Given the kind of situation that we saw yesterday and with the bandh being called by the BJP, what is the ground situation looking like at the moment?
Well, of course, we see yesterday, remember, Kolkata have literally turned into a war zone with the protesters on one hand and the police on the other side. Now, there was a huge confrontation that happened between the police force and the protesters. We have seen how the protesters were throwing stones at the police, were pelting stones, and police also resorted to lathi charge. They also resorted to the use of tear gas shells and water cannon. Now, there has been a lot, a lot of controversy. Remember what the BJP party have said. They have then marched to Lal Bazaar, the police headquarters, demanding all the protesters who were detained in the day to be released. We saw State President Shrikant Majumdar was in a dharna outside the police headquarters. Now, this decision to call for a bandh has been taken because they are saying Mamata Banerjee is trying to crack down on the voice of the protesters. Several students have been arrested, and that is the reason why they have called for a bandh. They have called for a 12-hour bandh, but as far as the ruling party or the state government is concerned, they have clearly said that in Bengal, after Mamata Banerjee come to power, there has been no bandh culture. And today also, they will not allow any kind of bandh. They have repeatedly said that normal life will continue as far as Kolkata or the surrounding is concerned.
Right, Shreya. Thank you very much for drawing things into perspective given what we're looking at the moment. But for now, we leave it at that. But let's continue to tell our viewers as far as the stop focus is concerned. The ruling TMC here remains defiant. In fact, the state government has said they will not let normal life be affected by the bandh. They have also urged shops, transport services, businesses to remain open. The Mamata government has also issued a stern diktat to state government employees and made attendance compulsory for today and has vowed disciplinary action if absent without valid reason. The BJP Dharna is also coinciding with TMC Foundation Day, prompting allegations from the ruling TMC that there's a big political agenda behind today's protest by the BJP. Meanwhile, a plea has been filed against the BJP bandh in the Calcutta High Court. The plea has directions from the court to stop the statewide strike that disrupts life of the common public.
जब देश की युवा शक्ति ने इस अन्याय के खिलाफ आवाज उठाने की कोशिश की, नबन्ना अभियान निकालकर तब ममता बनर्जी को अपने मुख्यमंत्री होने का एहसास हुआ और उन्होंने दोषियों को बचाने के लिए निर्ममता की हदों को पार कर दिया। सरकार ने 6,000 से ज्यादा पुलिस के जवान तैनात किए, हावड़ा ब्रिज को सील कर दिया गया, बंगाल के सड़कों पर देश की युवा शक्ति छात्रों पर लाठी बरसाए गए, वाटर कैनन्स के साथ उन पर प्रहार किया गया। ममता जी महिला मुख्यमंत्री होकर भी बंगाल के महिलाओं की सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित करने में पूरी तरीके से असफल रही है।
कोलकाता